What's good, Pretty Mafia? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure you press that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below what you would like to see me do in the next video. And don't forget to press that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. So recently, I have been getting tons of DMs about how I made my YouTube intro. So today I decided to make this video for you guys. So make sure you follow along because I'm going to show you how I achieved that intro that you just saw at the beginning of the video. The apps that we are going to be using in today's video are CapCut, Videoleap, Phonto, and PhotoGrid. All of these apps are free, so you have nothing to worry about. Okay, so the first app that we are going to be using is PhotoGrid. Once you open the app, you're going to want to press grid, then choose a photo that you want to use for the first clip. And now to achieve the look that I did in the intro, you're going to want to press the photo 4 times. You can do it 3, even 2. It doesn't matter, really up to you. But if you want to achieve the look I did, press it 4 times. So after pressing next, you want to go to border. Border is to get the white border. You don't want that white border. You want to take that off. So minimize that so you know it'll look clean. Once you leave border, go to watermark. Then what you want to do is go to PhotoGrid and press the first option. Doing this will remove the watermark so that your video looks better, if that makes sense. I hope it makes sense. This is the most important part. This is really crucial. You don't want your videos to be the wrong ratio. So what you want to do now is go to ratio, change the ratio from what it is to 16:9. That is the YouTube size, so please do so. Next, you want to save the video, obviously. So from here, you just want to do that 2 more times because we have 3 clips for the intro. So you want to do that 2 more times. That's all I'm going to do here. I'm just going to speed it up. Okay, so as you can see, I found this pink background. So what I did to go to Safari, pick out a background that you would like, and yeah, just add it. Now what you want to do is zoom in the background, go to opacity, and bring it down. Now press export and save the video to your camera roll. Now from here, you're going to want to start a new project. As you see me doing here, all I'm doing is adding the video that we just made in the last project to the new project. And I went to Safari and I looked up black background. Once we have added the black background, we're going to want to go to animation. The animation I chose to use was zoom. You can choose whichever one you want, but I chose zoom because zoom, in my opinion, it just looks way better. And the reason for this is so that once your intro is done, the zoom, it will make the intro, you know, it'll spice things up. Instead of the video just being there and then it's gone, it'll have a zoom animation and it'd be like, I'm done. You know what I'm saying? Like, if that makes sense. I hope it makes sense because it makes sense to me. So adding that animation to your intro at the end of your intro, it just adds that pop. In these clips right here, I'm just adding the zoom effect in between each clip. Okay, now you want to open the app PicsArt. Now you want to scroll all the way down to the PNG picture. This is what we're going to be using for our text. Then save the picture to your camera roll. Now let's go into the Phonto app. To be honest, adding text is my favorite part. What you want to do next is go to photo albums, then go to the PNG photo. Now tap the screen and add text. Add your YouTube name in all caps. Next, go to style again, then go to shadow, take alpha and bring it all the way up. Then I just play with blur X and Y. Save it to your camera roll as PNG. Next, what you want to do is choose a different font, but this time type your YouTube channel lowercase. Basically, I just went to thefont.com and chose this font called baby_darling. If you want this font, just do the same thing I'm doing. So to download the font, you should see at the top right, there's a download icon. You want to tap that, then it'll take you to your downloads. Then you're going to hold on the font that you just downloaded and press open in app. Then you're going to tap Phonto. Now save it to your camera roll.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop. Woo. Woo. Stop.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment down below what you'd like to see me do in my next video, and subscribe to see more videos come from my channel.